Hey everyone! Ready to save big this summer? I've got the scoop on the hottest online shopping deals you absolutely cannot miss. Let's dive right in. First up, Amazon is having a massive summer sale with up to 50% off on top-rated electronics. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, rated 4.6 stars, are now just $99. The crisp sound quality and comfortable fit make them a steal at this price. Plus, there's a promo code for an extra 10% off. Just use SUMMER10 at checkout. Next, Target is offering 30% off on summer apparel. I found this stylish pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses for only $70, down from $100. They're a classic choice with an average rating of 4.8 stars. Perfect for those sunny beach days. Over on Walmart you can snag the Coleman Road Trip Portable Grill for $180, originally $250. It's got rave reviews, averaging 4.5 stars. It's compact, easy to transport, and perfect for summer BBQs. Trust me, your backyard cookouts will never be the same. If you're into fitness, don't miss out on Dick's Sporting Goods. They've slashed prices on their workout gear by up to 40%. The Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38 running shoes are now just $90, regularly priced at $120. With a 4.7-star rating, they're known for their comfort and durability. For the tech lovers, Best Buy is where you need to be. The Sony WH-1000 XM4 noise-canceling headphones are down to $279 from $350. With an impressive 4.8-star rating, these are some of the best in the market. Great sound, top-notch noise cancellation, and a comfortable fit. What more can you ask for? And don't forget about home improvement. Home Depot is offering 25% off on patio furniture. This Hampton Bay 5-piece patio dining set is now $450, down from $600. It's got a solid 4.6-star rating and is perfect for those summer evenings outdoors. Lastly, for the beauty enthusiasts, Ulta Beauty is running a buy one, get 150% off on select skincare products. The highly rated CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, with a 4.7-star rating, is part of this fantastic deal. Keep your skin glowing all summer long. So there you have it, the best online shopping deals for this summer. Don't wait too long, as these offers are for a limited time only. Be sure to use those promo codes and grab these hot items before they're gone. Happy shopping, everyone. And remember, saving money is always in style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.